What is up YouTube? Welcome back, it's your buddy Technoboy, and in this video I'm gonna unbox this parcel which I've got delivered today from Amazon. And now let me tell you that I have been thinking to upgrade my home cinema setup, and I'm gonna start with the speaker package. Well, this is the one. This is not the whole package, it's just the center and the surround speaker package. And then I'm gonna upgrade the front speakers and then the receiver and the projector. I will keep upgrading them, and it will take some time, but I'm gonna start with the speaker package, and this is the one. And now let me quickly open this package, and then you can see the speakers. Oh, this is a tax invoice and a warranty card, and that's it. This is the original box, and on that there is just the bubble wrapping. There is no other box. So the box is kind of tempered from all over the corners, and here you can see hopefully the product inside. Okay, well, this is the model number NS-P51. It's a speaker package of center speaker and 2 surround speakers, and let me tell you the price. This cost me 10,750 INR from Amazon, and let's open it up. Okay, so when I get inside, see, this one is broken. Oh shit. This is the user manual, and this is the information about worldwide representative offices of Yamaha, and that's it. Here you get the wires for connecting the speakers, 3 bundles of wires. And this is the center speaker. At the top you get anti-slipping pads, I think. Okay. Wow, it looks nice. This is the front side of it. The Yamaha logo is here at the bottom, and the finishing is very nice. It looks so premium. And this is the back side. There are 2 mounting screw holes and the speaker terminals, and 2 mounting bracket screw holes, wherever it is. And the model number is NS-C51. So this is the center speaker. It has 2 4-inch driver and a tweeter. And this is the surround speaker. There's 1 4-inch driver and a tweeter. And this is the back side, and mounting screw holes and the speaker terminals. And this is another one. Same, you can see that. Alright, so that's it. This was the unboxing video of this Yamaha NS-P51 speaker package with one center and two surround speakers. And that's all for today. In the next video I'm gonna test these speakers, how they sound. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.